Hello, friends. Thanks for your valuable suggestion and feedback. Let us talk about creativity today. Creativity is one of the most important soft skills present in every successful person. Creativity can be defined as imaginations and original ideas to create something or to put them into reality. Now, this one single line defines the whole process of being creative. And it has four key points: imagination, original ideas, create something, and put into reality. Imagination and original ideas, they come out of calm and meditative mind. A mind which is devoid of all those unnecessary thoughts and doubts. Like, what is the need of creating? What is the need of coming out of the comfort zone? From where to start? How to organize things? Our mind need to be totally focused and relaxed to get some original ideas. We need to be present 100% in the present moment to imagine something, to create something, and to have original ideas. Now, unless these original ideas, these imaginations, until they are transformed into reality or they are used to create something, the process of creation is incomplete. Here again, we need to cross many barriers of our own mind. Like, what will happen if I fail? People may laugh at me. What will happen if it is not perfect? Etc. etc. My friends, we need to have courage and confidence to transform our imagination and original ideas into reality. Have you ever observed a surfer who is standing there on the surface of the water, mounted on his board? He is just waiting for the wave to come, and as the wave approaches him, without wasting time, without thinking twice, he just rides on the wave. In the same way, the creative ideas, they approaches us just like a wave. And it is all up to us to use those ideas, to implement them, and to give them a concrete shape. Again, also like a diver who dives deep into the ocean to get out some unhidden treasures out of there. The same way, we can also dive deep within ourselves to discover the hidden talents and skills, to uncover them and bring them to surface. Creativity is very important to be successful. And nature and knowledge helps a lot in being creative. Whenever we feel ourselves exhaustive of ideas or imagination or originality, we should do some learning. We should go towards our source of knowledge, source of information. We should learn something, watch some videos, upgrade our skills, acquire new skills. We should do some learning, and we should always go towards nature. We should spend some time with nature because nature has so much to give us, so many clues to give us. Nature pampers as a mother pampers a child with different things, and we get so many clues because it's all in our nature. Remember Isaac Newton? He's the one of the famous creative thinker in the history. And when he was spending time with the nature in the surroundings, sitting under the apple tree, and suddenly an apple fell on his head. And what he got? An idea. And then he gave the famous law of gravitational pull to all of us. My dear friends, we all are very creative. We all have that imagination, those original ideas within us. The only need is to acknowledge them, to believe in ourselves, and to have that courage and confidence to transform those ideas, those imaginations into reality. We always try to create something for others. Why not create something for our own self? Amaze yourself with your creativity. Make yourself happy. Be creative. You know, just give miracle a chance and see how magic happens. Be creative, be happy, be successful. Thank you.